Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is facing a lot of heat. The opposition, that is the Bharatiya Janata Party, held protests demanding his resignation. Demonstrations were actually held at the Vidhan Soda. They were holding placards and shouting slogans. Despite the growing pressure, Siddaramaiah is defiant. He is refusing to step down from his current position. Amid all the chaos, Siddaramaiah also lost his cool when he was asked about the Bharatiya Janata Party and the demand that the BJP is making. He in fact shoved a reporter's mic and even refused to comment. The uproar follows a Bengaluru court's special directive where the Lokayukt police is now ordered that they should go ahead and file an FIR against Siddaramaiah concerning the alleged Muda scam. The case involves not only Siddaramaiah but even his wife Parvati, his brother-in-law Mallikarjun Swamy, also Devaraju, who's the alleged landowner. Now, after the High Court's ruling, it is Lokayukt police that is now all set to register an FIR, not just against Siddaramaiah, but even his family members.
There is no question of Chief Minister resigning. It is a political conspiracy. I have also tasted this conspiracy. We will fight it out legally and politically.
Sir, are you in touch with High Command, sir, whether there is any kind of talks of resignation of the Chief Minister?
No, I am not in touch with the High Command. Every day we discuss a lot of issues. My CM has already briefed the High Command.
BJP continues the heat against Karnataka Congress government and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah demanding his resignation in connection with Muda scam. After Session Court verdict, the BJP has conducted series of protests, including today's protest in front of Gandhi statue in Vidhan Soda, demanding his resignation immediately. They allege that if Chief Minister Siddaramaiah continues to be in power when the investigation is happening at Lokayukta, it might influence the investigation. This particular protest led by opposition party leader R. Ashok. Along with them, there are senior MLAs, former minister, MLCs and deputy opposition party leader Arvind Bellar are taking part in front of Vidhan Soda, and they claim that they will continue to protest unless Karnataka Chief Minister resigns and allows Lokayukta for an independent investigation in this entire Muda scam. With the journalist Madhu Sagaraj reporting for India Today, Bengaluru.
Today again we are sitting in front of Mahatma Gandhi's statue, and in the interest of the people of Karnataka, in the interest of the law and the constitution, and in the interest of the culture of Karnataka, the CM should immediately step down and face the investigation. And if he feels that he is not corrupt or the allegation is false, he will come out clean. But sitting in the position of power and then expecting the investigative agencies to do a free and fair investigation is not a good thing.
हमारा तो डिमांड बहुत क्लियर है. जो कांग्रेस पार्टी मुख्यमंत्री सिद्धरामैया जी ने जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट हुआ है मूडा और दोनों हगरण में, वाल्मीकि हगरण में, इसके लिए अभी जो महामहिम राज्यपाल जो डिसीजन लेते उसके बारे में कोर्ट का वो भी आ चुका है. इसके लिए हम आग्रह करें इमीडिएट एज पॉसिबल एज अर्ली रेजिग्नेशन देना चाहिए.
We are demanding our Chief Minister Siddaramaiah should resign because already the court has given the direction for the inquiry as per the upholded the order of our honorable governor. Also yesterday the people representing the court also given the direction so that when a man is under inquiry is not fit to be in the position of the CM, so that it will affect the inquiry also. So we need a impartial and transparency in inquiry means he should resign now.
Sir, the BJP leadership has come here to Vidhan Soda protesting against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Why are you demanding for his resignation, sir?
See, Mr. Siddaramaiah is implicated. The governor has asked for further inquiry in the biggest land scam Karnataka has seen, 5,000 crore scam. He went to High Court and High Court has upheld the decision of the governor to further inquire into Mr. Siddaramaiah's land scam. So, Mr. Siddaramaiah being a chief minister, there cannot be a fair inquiry into the whole thing. So, it is he should resign.
Siddaramaiah is saying that when there are so many tall BJP and JDS leaders like Kumaraswamy who are out on bail, why is it that I should resign from my post is what he's asking.
So, is he accepting that he is corrupt? Is he accepting that he is involved in biggest scam? And does he mean to say, I am involved in the scam, but I want to continue? What about his tall claim of my life is an open book and all?
Sir, now the court has ordered for Mysore Lokayukta's investigation. Why do you think that Siddaramaiah should step down from his position as Chief Minister when the investigation is going on?
See, when officers who work with you in the government,
So they cannot invest properly because you are the highest position holder in Karnataka. You only told that when Yediyurappa was the chief minister, you must resign because no officer can investigate you because you are a chief minister. You are not a master to preach everybody. Now you should understand what lesson you preached earlier. You have to understand and step down now. That is our demand.
If you want a fair and free inquiry and further investigation, since Lokayukta, all the police officers are still being posted by the Home Ministry, and all the IPS officers are been transferred by none other than the Chief Minister himself, where he has posted about 1 month back all the officers. To have a fair inquiry with this background, I think if Lokayukta should inquire, then he should give a free hand by resigning the present CM post.
The development which was in the High Court we have seen, verdict given by, direction given by the Honorable Judge in his 191 or 197 page with all documentary evidences, how Siddaramaiah, even though he has not signed the paper, how he misused his office.
ದಿನಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಅಹಿಂದ ಸಂಘಟನೆಯಿಂದ ಇದೇ ಹುಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿಯಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರುವರೆಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಅಹಿಂದ ನಾಯಕನ ಉಳಿವಿಗಾಗಿ, ಅಹಿಂದ ಒಂದು ನಾಯಕನ ಉಳಿವಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಜಾಗೃತ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹುಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿಯಿಂದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧವರೆಗೆ ನಾವೇನೈತಲ್ಲ ಜಾಥಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಸಂಘಟನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೋಷಿತ ವರ್ಗದ ಸಂಘಟನಾಕಾರರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ದಲಿತ ಪರ ಸಂಘಟನೆಕಾರರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದ ಸಂಘಟನೆಕಾರರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹೋರಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿನಿಂದ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದ ವರ್ಗದ ಜನರನ್ನ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಬಾರದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಬಲಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಎಂಥ ಸಂಕಷ್ಟದ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ದೃಢ ನಿರ್ಧಾರದಿಂದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಲಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗೃತ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾವೇನದವಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಪೀಠಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಾಬಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಬುದ್ಧ ಬಸವಣ್ಣವರ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಜಾಥಾ ಓಡುವಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಸರ್. 3ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಫಿಕ್ಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು.